Hey family, all of us Hindus always wonder why more family members of this dharma don't commit to standing up for our shared faith. I assign the blame to our parents and our education system, who in turn were influenced by the corrupt Marxist thinkers and historians and radical education ministers. At one time, I was not optimistic for us, but not anymore. The situation is rapidly and decisively changing the very ethos of Bharat Mata and respect for the Hindu way of life. Please don't underestimate the event of Arnab Goswami receiving interim bail. It is a huge victory for all those who bow at the feet of our motherland and to our tricolor. It is a colossal victory for whom Bharat Mata Ki Jai is not only a saffron chant but also is the beat of our heart. Please compare Arnab Goswami's case to that of Julian Assange of WikiLeaks. All of us owe our deepest gratitude to Julian Assange because he alerted us to the dirty game being played by the corrupt American oligarchs with the help of the media and the politicians on all of us. He showed the truth of filthy, torturous, greedy wars in the Middle East. Do you know where he is today? In jail, and in such abject condition that he may not survive. Why did Arnab not face the same fate? Because of all of us, each one of us who did not let go. Today, welcome assistance has also come in for Sameer Thakkar in the form of renowned advocate Mahesh Jethmalani deciding to take up his case. I feel confident that Sameer's torturous days will be over soon. If we want Sanatan Dharma to regain its place of glory, we have to fight on behalf of each and every Bharat Ma loving warrior. Each brave Hindu should know that if he or she is ever persecuted for being honest, they are not alone. The Sanatan family is there for all. Do not underestimate the power of grassroots support. I heard Arnab in Poochta Hai Bharat on Republic Channel tonight. He is a changed man. He's roaring like a tiger because he knows his nation stands firmly behind him. It is truly incumbent upon us to make Sameer Thakkar roar like a tiger too when he gets out of jail, confident in the knowledge that he was not alone when he was being led around with a black cloth covering his face and his hands tied up like a terrorist. He was not alone when he was being harassed with 3 FIRs for one social media post. That we all were there with him. We felt his pain and we fought for him tooth and nail. There are 8 more brave persons against whom FIR was lodged along with Sameer Thakkar. When we work towards their release, recognizing them as respected Indians and cherished members of Hinduism, we will transform them into tigers too. This is how the awakening of Bharat Ma respecting protectors of Hindu faith will happen. I know such a day is not far. Please know that anti-India, greed-riddled machinery erected by the corrupt over a number of years is about to be dismantled. How desperate the corrupt are, we can clearly see. They are going mad to save their throne. We are now fighting this very madness. Let's come together and figure out a way to bring freedom to these faceless Arnabs languishing in the jail. We owe it to Bharat Mata. We owe it to ourselves. Thank you, good night, and I hope to hear from you all.